What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 4K Motoring. I'm Chris, and today we've got a little bit of an issue with our 2013 Porsche Boxster. The girlfriend came out this morning to try and started to take it to work because it's a beautiful day here in North Carolina, here at the middle of August, and the car wouldn't start. Car has been running fine, it's been giving us no issue. We did just finish detailing it, so we're going to see exactly what's going on, see if it's potentially just a dead battery or if there's something more to it. Stay tuned, let's go ahead and troubleshoot. Let's go ahead and get the key out of the pocket. Go ahead and hit the button and first see, make sure the key has batteries and make sure that the car is at least not totally dead. So we hit the unlock button. We can see the mirrors are folded up. The car is locked. Lights flash. They are LED. They don't require a lot of voltage. The locks did cycle. So that is a good sign with this car. Let's go ahead and get in and see what happens. I can hear some electronic stuff happening. Ooh. It is definitely hot in here. Obviously, Porsche has their key slot right here. And heard the click of a dead battery. So let's go ahead, see if we can jump it. We're going to use that little jump start unit, the Stalvin jump start unit that we got recently. Video's right up here for that thing. Let's go see if it works. You guys might remember the Stalvin battery pack we got, the little green one. I've liked this a lot as a portable battery pack, but we're going to go ahead and test with our jumper cables and see just how powerful it is. So as you might imagine, with the electronic hood latch, this one right here, when I hit it with a dead battery, you can hear it try and function, but it doesn't open. So that brings us to our emergency hood release, basically, with the dead battery. In the car, there's going to be a little kick panel right here down by the driver's seat. You're going to remove that and expose the fuse box, which is right under by where the pedals are. And we're going to see in here, there's one that shows a trunk. It does defocus because we're too close, but we can see that red one there that we're going to pull out with a fuse puller. Wiggle this in. Let's see if we can get it. There it is. And we notice there's an electrical contact on both sides and it's red. That's a clue. We're going to go ahead and hook our positive lead on our jump box up to that. Our negative just needs to be grounded to the frame, something like this door hinge or maybe a pedal. We don't have a long reach with this. We can probably use a door hinge and see if we can get enough power from our jump box to jump this button. We're going to plug in our jump box. This will be a first time using this Stalvin unit for this purpose. Plug in, it's a nice tight fit. And make sure it is on. Now we don't have a lot of room to work with, so we're going to try, have something around the hinge. We don't need a lot of power. All right, turn them on. There we go, trunk is popped. Okay, with that done, still showing 100% on our jump starter. We do have our hood popped. Let's go ahead, lift it up. And we're going to find the battery. Set that down for a minute so I have two hands. Let's take this cover off, slide it forward, make sure all of our little covers, all of our latches are not damaged. Set that down in a... We have our battery tucked right back here. We can see it's a little bit oxidized. So we're going to go ahead and connect our positive lead. To the battery. And our negative lead to a frame source. Like that. We're going to turn it on. And we're going to hit that boost button. So we have 100% battery. We're going to go ahead and see if that is enough to start this. All right, foot is on brake. Put the key in, turn it. It started right up. no problem at all. And guys, best of all, we're still showing 97% on our battery. So we weren't very dead, and we knew that. This little unit's pretty awesome. If you guys didn't get a good look, the battery is under this panel. We do have our tire inflator under here as well if you need it. We're not going to hook up to the negative because we don't want to create gases under here, and that's what it tells us. We can see a little bit of corrosion happening from here, so this might be a little low on electrolyte. This is our positive terminal, that's what we connect to, and we've got a good frame ground right over here to go ahead and jump the car. So we're definitely going to keep an eye on the car. It turned over real easy, didn't require a whole lot of power to do so. The battery wasn't very dead. I'm not sure exactly what killed it at this point. I don't know if the door being open and the lights on while we were detailing it and the engine not running got it just a little bit flat, which shouldn't have happened. It is summer, but it's been cooler the last week or so, so it's not something that typically kills batteries. Normally that's a little bit more in the hot weather. So we're going to keep an eye on it. We'll voltage test it as needed. One tip I do have for you is whenever you have one of these little jump starters, keep it with you whenever you have a battery die or something like that. Make sure it's charged, keep it in the car because it might die again. Your battery might be starting to die, the electrolyte might be running out, something like that, that lets it not hold a charge and you don't want to be stranded somewhere. Hope you guys found that video useful. Hope you found some of those tips helpful. As always, I'm Chris. This is 4K Motoring. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.